Today, we're going to discuss about factoring trinomials. This discussion is intended for grade 8 students. But for those who are willing to have an advanced study for their mathematics subject, particularly in trinomials or factoring trinomials, you can study by this video. The given example is x squared plus 5x plus 6. First thing, you have to check the real numbers here and find the greatest common factor, that if when you add the factors of this number, it will be equals into 5. Okay, so let's try. 6. So what is the number that is, when you multiply, it will be equivalent into 6? Okay, so let's have 1 times 6. Okay, so let's have also 2 times 3. Okay, so as we can see that the 5 here is positive. Okay, so we're gonna use this 2 times 3, which is when you add this 2, it will be equals into 5. Okay, so next, so what you're going to do is to do like this. So x plus 2 and then x plus 3. Okay, so how can you simplify for this? So using the FOIL method, so you can multiply x times x, that is x squared, x times 3, that is 3x, then 2 times x is equals to 2x, and then 2 times 3 is equals to positive 6. Okay, so let's add x squared plus, so we have to add the terms that has the same variables. So 3x plus 2x is equals to 5x, then plus 6. Therefore, this answer is correct. Okay, so that's number 1. Okay, number 2. Say for example, x squared plus 8x plus 15. Okay, so we have to factor 15 so that we can have the result of 8. Okay, so 15, 1 times 15 and 3 times 5. Okay, so when you add 1 plus 15, it is equals into 16, so therefore this cannot be. So 3 plus 5, when you add this, it will be equals into 8. Okay, so when you simplify this, so therefore x plus 3 and then x plus 5.
Wow!
Okay, so let's try to simplify this equation. X times x is equals to x squared. X times 5 is equals to 5x. 3 times x is equals to 3x. 3 times 5 is equals to 15. Okay, let's add the terms that has the same variables. X squared plus 5x plus 3x is equals to 8x plus 15. Okay, let's try to check if they are the same. So therefore, this factor is correct. Okay, as we can see that they are both the same. Okay, so what about if negative? Okay, say for example for number 3. Number 3 is x squared minus 7x plus 12. Okay, so we have to find the factor of 12. Okay, 12 can be what? 2 times 6 and 1 times 12 and 3 times 4. Okay, so which one can be equal into, okay, so since this is negative, so therefore negative 2 times x, oh no, sorry, okay, so 12, positive 12 is the given real number here. Okay, so which one can be equal into 7? So 3 and 4. Okay, so 3 and 4. So let's try to simplify. Okay, so we should make this negative. Okay, so this must be negative 3 and negative 4. Okay, so therefore x minus 3 and x minus 4. Okay, let's try to simplify. Okay, x times x is equals to x squared. X times negative 4 is equals to negative 4x. Okay, so negative 3 times x is equals to negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 4 is equals to positive 12. Okay, let's proceed. So let's subtract the terms that has the same variables. So x squared, negative 4x minus 3x, that is negative 7x, then plus 12. Okay, check if they are the same. Okay, so meaning this answer is correct. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, for number 4. Okay, x squared plus 3x minus 40. Okay, so 40, and then as you can see that there is 3 here, so it is very impossible that we can find a numbers that can be factored by 40 that will be added and equivalent into positive 3. So therefore we have to make like this. So 40, so 1 times 40 or 5 times 8. Okay, so therefore 1 times 40 is equals to 40. So if you plus this one, it will be 41. So therefore we have to use this 5 times 8. So okay, so when you plus negative 5 plus 8 is equals to 3. Okay, so let's try to simplify. Okay, x plus 8 and then x minus 5. Let's try to multiply. X squared using the FOIL method, then x times negative 5, so negative 5x, then 8x. Okay, so 8x, 8 times x is equals to plus is 8x, and then 8 times negative 5, so it's negative 40. Okay, so let's try to add these numbers that has the same variables. So x squared minus 3x equals to 40. So therefore this answer is correct. Okay, please pause if you have problem. If you have any clarification, please pause everything so that you can follow the guide. And that's for all for today, and have a nice day.